is that of pantothenic acid, which is B5. So this is in the form of coenzyme A. So anytime you see one of these molecules turn into something that has coenzyme A or CoA on the back, that's because of pantothenic acid in the form of CoA. So B5, and I've got to choose a colour now. What colour should I use? I'll do blue. So B5 is going to be working here as well. So going from pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. It's going to be working here, going from alpha-ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA, B5. It's going to be working here, going from alpha-ketobutyrate, so that's glutarate, alpha-ketobutyrate to propionyl-CoA, B5. But also, pantothenic acid in the form of CoA is important to turn fatty acids into propionyl-CoA, so here as well. Very important. All right? So as you can see, any place in which we've got something turning into a CoA, we're going to have pantothenic acid come along. Next point we need to look at is that of pyridoxine in the form of pyridoxal phosphate, so PLP. What does PLP do? PLP plays an important role when it comes to amino acid production, or at least as an amino transferase. So it transfers amino groups from amino acids. So let me show you what I mean here. I'm going to do this in pink. So alpha-ketoglutarate can, with the help of various amino acids, like alanine for example, and with the help of B6, which is PLP, what it does is it takes the amine group, so there's going to be an amine group, right, on the side of this, because it's an amino acid, NH3+. It takes that amine group, gives it to PLP, and what it can do is it can produce from alpha-ketoglutarate something really important called glutamate. And as a byproduct in this process,